lot of hair dye videos, but never with a product quite like this one. This is the Hally Color Cloud hair dye foam, and it's supposed to be mess-free, ammonia-free, and demi-permanent. This product is interesting because the foam comes out white, and I've never seen a hair dye like that, so let's see how it works. So demi-permanent is right in the middle of semi-permanent and permanent hair dye. It should last 4 to 6 weeks, or depending on how much you wash your hair, about 25 washes. This is the kit, and inside you'll have the foam and you'll have the color that you mix together, and you also get some gloves and hair clips. And while you wait 30 minutes for your color to process, you also have this fun stress putty and under eye patches. The color I got was Cola Coaster, and it's described as soft milky brown, which is a big change from the blonde I have now, so I'm curious if it's gonna work well. I don't know. In the instructions it says if you have longer hair, you have to section it into 3 parts, so like 2 top buns and leave the bottom kind of loose. So I'm gonna do that right now. I think I'm gonna use their little clips because they're kind of cute. I'm also gonna put some Vaseline around my forehead and ears just to make sure I don't stain my skin. So you have to mix these 2 ingredients together. Pour this little one in here. It says give the pump bottle a quick 2-second shake to activate your color cloud. Okay, definitely more than 2 seconds. I think it should be nice and foamy now. There's still a lot of foam left in the bottle, so I'm going around to do like a second pass, but I think there's a lot of product in this little thing if you have like longer or thicker hair. But of course, only the wash will tell what it really does. It does look a lot darker already. Oh gosh. It looks dark. I've come to the dark side, everyone. I definitely think a foam hair dye is probably better than a liquid one because I noticed that it kept its texture every time I applied it to my head and I wanted to kind of massage it into the hair, and I feel like liquid is just a lot messier and kind of slips down everywhere. And there's definitely a lot of product in this little tiny bottle. So yeah, this was a pretty easy process. So we have to wait 30 minutes for it to process, and I think I'll play with like some of the stuff that they gave me. Whee! So, grand reveal, natural light. Okay, so it's not as dark as I thought it was gonna be, but I kind of like it. Doesn't look like there's any patches. I'm gonna go style my hair and see how it looks after. So this is the final hair color, and I think it looks really nice. I don't notice any patchy spots. I think it applied really evenly, and my hair feels so soft. I know when I was washing it, I was so surprised of like how silky it was, and now after styling it, it doesn't feel damaged or burned. It doesn't feel like it was like hair dyed at all. Usually it takes like a day or 2 or another wash to make it feel healthier, but my hair feels super healthy. I'm also gonna include a clip of what my hair looks like 30 days later to see how much the color has faded. So it's been about a month since I first dyed my hair. It's probably been about 15 washes or so. The blonde definitely fought its way through, so it's a lot lighter than before, but I've noticed in the root part where I didn't have much bleach, it's still pretty like that nice
soft brown color. I really like it. I feel like it's not completely out yet, but it definitely has washed off quite a bit.
For me, this is one of the most pleasant at-home hair dyeing experiences I've had, and I think the color came out better than anything I've tried before. So I definitely think it's worth a try.